tarumpay. Yung po ang differential opportunity theory.
Good day everyone. Good day Ma'am Shelby. I will be discussing concentric theory. The concentric zone theory, developed by Ernest Borges and applied by Shaw and Mackay to Chicago, suggests that cities grow in concentric circles, each with distinct characteristics. The inner zones, characterized by puberty and high population density, experience higher crime rates due to factors like social disorganization and lack of resources. As you move outwards towards the more affluent zones, crime refers to intent to decrease. This theory highlights the relation between urban development and crime patterns, suggesting that social and economic factors play a significant role in crime rates. String theories in sociology and criminology attempt to explain why individuals engage in criminal behavior. These theories propose that societal pressures and the disconnect between culturality, valued goals, and the means to achieve them lead to strain, which can push individuals towards criminal activity. The core idea is that when individuals feel frustrated or unable to reach their goals through legitimate means, they may resort to deviant behavior as a coping mechanism or an alternative path to success.